oily. Yes. Pero nag-dry kasi siya for a while. So, ayan, pinapakita ko yung first. And then, when I use this Glass Skin Essence Serum, sobrang nag-smoothen siya. Yung pore niya mas refined. And pagdating, sorry, pakita ko.
So there, instant yung effect
Instant talaga yung effect niya, yung healthy glow, makikita niyo na agad as soon as you apply.
That's what I also like about this product is that it's not greasy. Usually kasi when we put serums on our skin, lalo na given the humid weather that we have here, the temperature, lalo na yung mga commuters din, kapag under the sun talaga, nagkakaroon ng greasy or parang naglalagkat yung feel. But with this one, the VC Essence Maxine, we've tried it, parang matte finish and ultra lightweight. It's as if wala kang nilagay on your skin. That's why it's really, really promising. And I hope that you will, give us a chance na matry niyo yung product. And I hope also that you will spread a good word about the beauty of our product, My Psycho Skin. So there you have it. So yan yung usual routine ni Maxine. You just wash your face. Very, very simplified according to Dr. Jaja. The simpler the better. And of course, that is also gentle and mild for our skin. We don't need super long skincare routine or process.
And then, I just want to share, this is my third day of using the Glass Skin. Binigay siya actually pinatry nila sa akin last Monday pa lang. Ito.
How is it so far? Your
Sobrang
experience?
okay. Makikita niyo naman, it's super glowing under make. Actually, wala akong foundation, so nakikita niyo na sobrang glowing. And very glass skin talaga siya. Very J-Beauty. So, ayan, meron na akong idadagdag na serum on my routine. It's very important to add this on your skincare. But, syempre, kailangan nyo maglagay talaga ng sunscreen after that.
Alright, so Miss Maxine, before we let you go, do you have any message to all our My Psycho Skin family and of course all our media family and friends?
Ayan, so guys, please try this product. I highly recommend it. Kasi, of course, as a Filipino, we have to be confident in our own skin. So, skincare doesn't have to be complicated, guys. Sobrang proud na talaga ako with this product kasi it's one-step routine na i-add lang natin and then a sunscreen and then you're ready to go and you're glowing.
Alright, once again, for Miss Maxine Medina, Miss Universe Philippines 2016, a mom and of course ambassador for My Psycho Skin. Maraming salamat!